I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. Yeah.
Welcome back, Maniacs. It's your girl Maniac. So today I'm coming back with another video because you know I'm back and I'm better. So I did like a little green look, kind of like green, kind of neutral. I'm basically just showing y'all how to work with hooded eyes because I have hooded eyes. So did what I could. So if you guys like it, like and subscribe. Give me to 250 subscribers, and thanks for tuning in. Bye.
I'm loving her body the way that she dance. We finna take us a flight to Japan. I'm having a wreck, she gon' give me a chance. She finna blow me just like a fan. She let me be like the bottle of the band. She don't be tripping, she know that it's fans. She know I'm a player, she did what I'm saying. She finna count all these racks with her hands. She just gon' go with the groove. Ooh, ooh. She just gon' go with the groove. Ooh, ooh. She just gon' go with the groove. Ooh, ooh. Kicking this shit too smooth. True. Come through this bitch and I spray up the block. Skate off with your bitch and I'm dropping the top. Like 200K, I spent that on my watch. Not going for shit cause I'm knowing the plot. PDE, we really all that we got. I'm praying the Lord take us to the top. Speaking of top, I need some top. I'm presidential and you niggas not. I took an L but I'm back on my feet. Can't fuck around and can't be in these streets. She call me OD Brady when it dig deep. I'm trying to be healthy, I can't fuck with beat. She let me hit it, we all in these sheets. But it's back to this paper and gotta increase. Wipe my dick off and the nigga got up. Can't lay up too long, I ain't wiping no slut. The other bitch, I really know that shit tough. I'm serving the gas off the back of the bus. I'm Teflon done, nigga, I can't be touched. Bad bitch with me, we blowing no runs. This shit is a movie, y'all would do a stunt. You try to play us and we taking your lunch. I fucked on the teacher and took her to brunch. I'm sipping medicine, this ain't no punch. I'm loving her body the way that she dance. We finna take us a flight to Japan. I'm having a wreck, she gon' give me a chance. She finna blow me just like a fan. She let me be like the bottle of the band. She don't be tripping, she know that it's fans. She know I'm a player, she did what I'm saying. She finna count all these racks with her hands. She just gon' go with the groove. Ooh, ooh. She just gon' go with the groove. Ooh, ooh. She just gon' go with the groove. Yeah. Ooh. Kicking this shit too smooth. True. Yeah. I told her bend over, let me hit it. Reeling this money in like I'm fishing. I had to boss up and run up them digits. Don't care about fame, I just want you to listen. All in the Benz eating Henderson's chicken. Ain't playing with these niggas, the Lord is my witness. Look at myself and say, nigga, you trippin'. It's a hook on this bitch, but I'm really just flowing. Punching like Tyson when he was sparring. Just bought a car, that bitch is foreign. Stacking this money is gradually growing. I put my bitch on the pedestal. Promise that no other bitch can stand next to you. Play with her crazy, you know she gon' act a fool. She sit on the dick just like a stool. They wanna play, I just keep it cool. Cause ain't no telling what I might do. Blowing exotic, the smoke out the roof. Look, she asking, can I leave with you? I'ma be dripping cause she say I'm sexy. Call her Lil Caesar, she hot and she ready. I really get money and know I'm not flexing. They little hoe bad, so I bought her a Lexus. Bought her a Benz cause she bought a friend. She say she happy, don't want it to end. Pull on her hair and she give me a grin. I'm smoking and looking through Cartier lens. These niggas so jealous, don't want you to win. Cause they don't put in the work. I go to a show and I turn up the crowd with a 45 under my shirt. They tryna see what I'm doing, they lurk. Yeah, she don't go, she gon' flirt. Yeah, play you get put in the dirt. Yeah, ballin' so hard, needs to play in the stadium. Jewelry shiny is made of titanium. Ayy, she wanna fuck me, then she gotta pay. 11 years in and I came a long way. OVO chopper, yeah, I got a drink. I'm that nigga, yup. Jewelry on froze, winner. Yep, I gave her that wood splinter. Presidential empire, you know that we winning. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, that wraps up today's video. Thank you for watching. Give me the 250 subs and I'll see y'all next Monday. Bye.